pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
tea loaf. For this you'll need 1 pound of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoonful of salt, 2 ounces of Trex or Crisco, 1 ounce of granulated sugar, 3 ounces of currants, 1 ounce of chopped peel, half a pint of milk, and a 7-inch baking tin. Mix the flour and salt in the basin. Then rub in the Trex. Rub. Stir in the sugar. Currants. And the mixed peel. And make into a dough with the milk. Turn it out onto a floured board. And form a round. Place it in your greased tin. Brush over with milk. Wrap your baking tin in a nice blanket. You should stop the centre rising too much. Bake for 1 hour at gas mark 6, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 180 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. I shall now model a magenta otter travels apron. Butter makes everything better. And now for the taste test. Although it looks like fruit cake, it's much lighter and airy texture. I give this one a 16 out of 20 on the scrumptious scale.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.